Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, I'm Amida. I talk about style, fashion, hair, anything interesting, we throw in the mix. So I hope you're all keeping safe, by the way. And today's video is going to be part 2 of the Asos haul that I did last week. So I've got some pieces from Asos. As I mentioned, that was the part 1 video. This is the part 2 video, and I've got some pieces as well that I bought from H&M within the last couple of weeks. So I'm just going to combine all together and style it for you. Summer is just around the corner, spring is coming to an end, but all these pieces is something that you can tie in with your spring summer wardrobe, or even sometimes that you can style when it gets a bit colder. So I'm going to show you the pieces, and then I'm going to talk how I would style this when we can hopefully safely go back outside and get back to normal, or maybe days when you just want to look cute at home and feeling yourself. So stay tuned and please support your girl. Click on the subscribe button, like, share. I'm trying to grow my subscribers to 1,000 within the next 2 months, and I'm sure with your support and with your help we can get this done. We can do it. So thank you again. Stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. Oh, by the way, like, I'm just wearing, in case you wonder what I'm wearing, I'm just wearing a black Zara wide leg pants, which I've had for like years, from Zara, and then an Asos white mule, and then a linen shirt which I've just tied to cover my little bulging fupa right here, which I'm working on. So yeah, so this is one way that if you can just give it like a crop top. So that's what I'm wearing. I think it's cute. I like it. So show you a little bit of clip. So firstly, I've got this Asos linen dress. So I love this gorgeous dress. It's got a sweetheart neckline again, which is my favorite neckline when it comes to like dresses or blouse, and it's got a little kind of not bow but like cinched in here, and a little peekaboo there. It's got elastic at the back, and then the arms are wide enough for you when you're wearing a bra that's got a strap so you can see it, and then you can drop it down if you want to wear like a strapless bra. It's really nice dress. It's so airy. I like the length, so it's just below my knee, and yeah, it's just a very cute, feminine, classy, simple dress. That's too many words in one dress, but yeah, it's just so nice. You'll see in the cutaway here how I would style it for you. Is this one. This dress is stunning. Like, it's just so nice. If you followed me on Instagram, I wore it one day when it was hot. It's just so nice. It's just so lovely, and it's just so airy. It's from the Asos own design. I got it on sale for £20. I think it was like 80 something pounds. I love the sleeves with the ruching details, and then this little like rope hanging down, and then you've got it on the side as well. Would you say this is, I think it's asymmetric cut kind of. I just love this dress. As you can see, this is a stunning dress that you can wear on holiday, like when we again can safely go outside, or even like on a nice summer day. So you can dress this up or you can dress it down, but I feel like when I'm wearing this, it will definitely be something that I would be dressing up. So this is the third piece I got from Asos. This is a linen suit. The color is gorgeous. It's beautiful, but I got this in a tall because it's sold out, because I wanted to show you guys, try it out for you if you may be looking to wear like suits in the summer. It's really nice. I love the pants. You can see here the pants is quite nice. I like the fit of the pants. I'm even happy that I got it in the tall, because the pants, my bum is a little bit big, so it's good. It's a bit longer, and the suit as well. But yeah, you can see me trying it on here, which I'm sure, but I just don't, again, there's no lining inside. It just feels a little bit cheap, and wearing it is a little bit itchy, so I just don't like, I'm not really digging the quality. But again, the color is beautiful. It's just such a nice color, so you can wear it together, you can wear it as separate. So this is just a cool jacket that you can wear. I can wear the shorts as well, so you see how I style both pieces. So it's nice, it's really nice, but I'm not keeping it because I feel like the quality could be better. Again, it's linen, but if it's something that you're looking for, you're looking to get like a nice suit for the summer, I think this is a good buy, but not just for me. And yeah, I think it could be a lot better. This again I got from H&M. which is nice. The material is this rib material with this gold button here. So they had it in like this black and then the nude color. I think it's just a beautiful little top. The material again, it's quality. The knit is really good. You can see me wearing it here. It's really good knit, like expensive. The feel, like, yeah. And it was only $19.99. So I just think it's a little nice cute top, and then just the gold button detail just brings the black out. So you can see me styling it here. I love it. It's really nice, and it's not like super crop. It's like just there, as you can see. So piece that I got from Asos. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I styled this on my IGTV video. You can follow me at Yamzyz, just _style, just exactly as it is on YouTube, just like an underscore in between Yamzyz and style, so you can find loads of daily outfit inspiration. I just love this color, and I'm not even a pink girl. Like, I don't really like pink, but I just think it looks so beautiful. And the material, oh my god, it just like flows on your body. Like, it's just, it couldn't be any breezier. Like, it's just so breezy, it just flows nicely, and it's just nice. It looks so much more expensive than it actually is. So this is actually Asos own design, and I sized up. I got it in a size 10. As you can see me styling it here, you can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear this with, like, say, pants like this. You can wear it with like white pants. You can wear it with your jeans. You can wear it with your skirts, as I've styled it here. You can just wear it in so many ways. And yeah, I just love it. It just feels so expensive and looks so expensive. Another piece from Asos. This I'm sure it might not be most people's cup of tea, but I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I just feel like maybe holiday season I'm thinking, or maybe someday when I just want to be extra. Like, you can see here, it's like the pants, like extra pants. I've worn this before again on my Instagram. Check me out as Yamzyz style, but I just like it. So I got this. Did somebody say bound sleeves? Whoop whoop. So yeah, I got these ginormous blouse ginormous sleeves blouse from H&M. I'm sure you would have seen this probably on Instagram or maybe like on YouTube, but the sleeve is just statement. You cannot scream any more statement. And I feel like sometimes when you just wear a basic jean, a basic pants, you just need a good top. This is another piece that I got. I'm trying to swap my jeans for maybe like cargo pants or like trousers. So I saw this and I really like it. I think it's a nice style. So it's like cargo pants with black and the green. I just love the military contrast. I think it's just nice. You can see me wearing it here. I think you can wear it with so many things in the winter. I can style this in so many ways. Guys, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed the haul / styling video, and yeah, I enjoyed it and I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So thank you very much for staying tuned, and I shall see you again on the next one. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button down below and support your girl. Stay safe, and I will see you again on the next one.